We were welcoming home Sgt Leiser. She is the parent of a kindergartner, a third grader, and a fifth grader here at McDavid-Jones.
Your mom? What's her name?
Cheryl.
Cheryl? Where is she in the military? Okay. Well, see who that is right there. Well, the other two brothers.
We felt like it was special for her to come home and see her kids and surprise them, but also allow our students to welcome her and thank her for her service.
Yeah, the feeling's indescribable. Just having to leave them was the hardest thing I've ever done, and then being able to come home and just hold them again has been all I've wanted to do for the last year. So. And there were a lot of times we didn't get to FaceTime just for different reasons, and sometimes it's harder to look at them through a screen because you can't hold them, and you can't see them and touch them and smell them, and it's just, and then when you can't be there when they're hurt or whatever's going on, it's just hard. So just being able to be present makes all the difference.